SAP Retail Execution is a mobile app for sales reps and merchandisers of companies selling consumer packaged goods into retail stores. SAP Retail Execution will help improve the productivity of your sales representatives and merchandisers during store visits, helping you achieve a perfect store strategy. Key business processes your reps can perform include plan retail visits, manage activities and tasks, conduct surveys and audits, perform compliance checks, create sales orders and returns. Let's take a look at the SAP Retail Execution mobile app as used by a typical sales rep or merchandiser for your company. When you first log into SAP Retail Execution, you'll sync the app and be taken to this screen where you can view your schedule for today's retail store visits. There are 4 ways to view the schedule: by day, week, month, or list. Pins drop onto the map to show each customer's location. When the date changes, the new locations and pins are shown. When you click the colored bar at the bottom of the screen, you will access the Global Access menu. From this screen, you can quickly review your schedule, customers, orders and returns, and products. You can also check in, view analytic dashboards, access to-do lists, alerts, messages, sync, and user preferences. The Visit Overview screen opens with some high-level information for your visit to Biltmore. When you hit the Detail button, you can see the details of today's visit. You have access to detailed notes along with any mandatory or optional activities and tasks you'll need to perform. You can view customer information, active promotions, and contacts. Let's start the visit and click Check In. Let's look at some of the customer information that's available before doing any activities. If you click on Assets, you can see any company-owned assets placed at the store. If needed, you can create a service request. The Promotions tab details all of the active promotions for Biltmore. The Store Binder is a unique feature that allows you to access specific documents, photos, and more for your customer. Let's now do an activity for a planogram check. You will need to answer a few questions. Yes, the store has been reset, and yes, it was according to the planogram. Then click Done, and yes to submit the activity. SAP Retail Execution leverages functionalities from the SAP Customer Relationship Management application for surveys and audits like this that you do daily. Let's now enter a sales order. When placing an order, you first select the order type. You have several choices at the top regarding how to enter the order: quick order, all product, past orders, and more. Let's use a prior order as the basis for a new order. You can duplicate this order by accepting it as is, or you can edit the order. You can view recent sales history by clicking the product. If you need to edit the quantity, you can do it manually or click the plus sign to add 3 cases. When you are done, hit Finalize, then Confirm, sign the order, and hit Done. It's that easy. To close the visit, click Checkout. You'll then be prompted to plan your next visit. As you can see, SAP Retail Execution is a powerful application that offers significant benefits that will improve sales effectiveness in the retail channel, leverage best practices, maximize promotional investments by validating retail compliance, provide marketing and sales management with critical field execution insight, help achieve perfect store. SAP Retail Execution is a powerful mobile app that will allow you to execute best practices to achieve your retail execution objectives. SAP, the best run businesses run SAP.